Are you stopping by for the very first time? Are you tuning into my channel for the very first time? Then do well to subscribe. Also turn the notification bell. Please like, share, and comment. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your own whitening lotion using Caro White. This whitening lotion is very nice. It will glow your skin at the same time, giving you that flawless skin. And remember, always subscribe to my channel. Also turn on notification bell. Please like, share, and comment. Don't forget to share my video with your friends, your neighbors, your family. So let's go and watch the video to the end. It's a whitening lotion. This one is a pro-mixing method. Let's go and watch the video to the end. Let me show you how to make this amazing recipe. That's the lotion. How to pro-mix it properly. But before that, please make sure that your environment and your bowl are well sanitized and clean. I'm using my Caro White lotion. Caro White, I'm using 500 ml, the big size. And also my another base cream, which is my Queen Elizabeth Cocoa Butter. I'm using Queen Elizabeth Cocoa Butter, also 500 ml. So making the total lotion as my base as 1 kg, which is 1 liter. Guys, I've scooped in all my Queen Elizabeth Cocoa Butter into my bowl. And I'm going to add in my Caro White lotion. Please subscribe to my channel. Also turn on notification bell. Please like, share, and comment. Yes, guys, this lotion can give you 4 shade lighter. But please make sure to scrub your skin whenever you are using whitening lotion. Scrub your skin at least twice a week can do. Then I will stir it up for the two lotion to be combined. And I'll add in my serums. My first serum is my skin free milk. This skin free milk comes in a beautiful way that can give you that whitish tone. Yes, it's a bleaching oil, but it doesn't harm the skin. It is very safe for the skin. So I'm going to add in 4 tablespoons of my skin free milk. 4 tablespoons of my skin free milk. Totally, it will be 60 ml of my skin free milk. My second serum is my Skin Freedom. Skin Freedom is very good. It glows the skin, it treats the skin. So I'm going to also add in 4 tablespoons of it. But Skin Freedom is very thick. And I have half of my bottle. So I'm going to add in all. Half of the bottle. Okay. My next ingredient is my nano half cast serum or nano half cast oil. Yes, this one contains kojic and it is very good. I'm also going to add in my nano half cast serum, 6 tablespoons of it. 6 tablespoons of it. It gives it and half cast tone. So please, if you are not fair skin type, don't go near this one. And please don't expect fast action miracles. No, patience will do. Okay, continue usage with a good soap and you will get what you are looking for. Trust me, I've been giving you a trusted recipes and unique recipes here. My next oil is my carrotone oil. This carrotone oil is one of my best oil. It glows the skin effortlessly. It's very good. Yes, guys, trust me. It's very good. I'm going to add in 8 tablespoons of my carrotone oil. 8 as well. My next ingredient is my Moroccan argan oil. This one contains argan oil and I'm going to add in 4 tablespoons of my Moroccan argan oil. My next ingredient is my super white oil. This super white oil contains coconut oil and it is very good. It glows the skin. effortlessly. It is very, very nice. Yes, guys, trust me. The super white oil, I'm adding in 4 tablespoons of my super white oil. I will list all the measurement on this video. Please watch the video till the end to know all the ingredients. Please make sure to watch it till the end. After adding my super white, I'm going to add in my magic white glycerin or glycerin, whatever you call it. Yes, I'm going to add in my whitening glycerin or glycerin. I'm going to add in 4 tablespoons of it too. 4 tablespoons. To moisturize the skin. That's the reason why we are adding in the glycerin. My last ingredient, but not the least, is my pure carrot serum. I'm adding in the orange one. Please follow the recipe as I have done it. I'm using the orange one. I'm also going to add in 4 tablespoons of it too. 4 tablespoons, guys, please. Trust me, 4 tablespoons will do. I'll add in my Shenick Perfect Leg. Whenever you are making a whitening product, make sure to add in your anti-grievance and anti-stretch marks product. Okay, guys, please, to secure your skin. That's the reason why I'm adding my Shenick. I'm adding in 3 tablespoons of my Shenick, 3 tablespoons of my Shenick Perfect Leg. For green veins, blue veins, all the veins, and also stretch marks. I'll also add in my bio oil or bio oil, whatever you call it. I'm adding in 2 tablespoons. 2 tablespoons. I was having only 2 tablespoons on the bottle. So I'll add to my production. And my next ingredient is my crude kenako. You can add in your whitening kenako, your bare eclat kenako, but I'm adding in my crude kenako. It was 1 tablespoon, so I'll add all, okay? Yes, I'll add it to my production. Then I'm going to stir it out. My last ingredient is my Skin Good and my Miracle Derm Tube. Please make sure to add to your production. Okay, guys, please make sure to add it to your production. You can add it at the beginning. If you have the stick blender, you can add it at the end. But if you don't have it, please add it at the beginning and stir it out very, very well. Then you are way to go. Guys, see how our lotion will look like. Yes, and it can give you 4 shades lighter. I'll add in a little of my perfume. A little, please. Yes, a little of my perfume. Then I will stir it out and I will bottle it up. Guys, thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel and also turn on the notification bell. Please like, share, and comment. I love you guys. God bless you.